Let us consider that the motorcycle is going with a speed of 15 to 25 miles per hour, and assume that the rider has taken a long turn on a double road. Taking the turn, he entered the wrong lane and collided with a truck approaching the opposite. Here, the collision occurred because the rider steered in the wrong direction. The rider failed to understand the concept of countersteering. To turn right at speed, push the right side of the handlebar, and to turn left at speed, push the left side of the handlebar. Why? Because when you steer in either direction, you drive the front wheel out from the motorcycle's center of gravity, making it lean in the opposite direction. Which means, steering left will cause the motorcycle to lean to the right, because you don't realize that you are pushing the right side of the handlebar, and vice versa. We all know, motorcycles turn in the direction it leans. In this case, since the motorcycle was already banking or leaning to the right, turning the handlebar to the right causes the front wheel to drive back under center of gravity, because you are pushing the handlebar to the left side, causing the bike to stand up and straight its line, rather than continuing the previous arc of the corner. You will see that when the rider sees the truck, he sharply turns the handlebar to the right, which makes the motorcycle stand up and go to the left. The rider releases the steering under pressure, which makes the motorcycle again to follow the original trajectory. Then, in his panic, he steers right again, releases, and steers right a third time, taking his trajectory further into the path of the truck. This is why you see the sharp weaving of the motorcycle as it moves directly into the path of the truck. Every time he steers right, his trajectory is moved further into the path of the truck. This effect is called countersteering. If he had pushed the handlebar to the right side, he would have moved to the right, tightened his line, and avoided the collision. Practice learning the countersteering on your own motorcycle, before you end up in any emergency situation. Understanding the importance of countersteering can save your life.